everyone, welcome to Nan Kitchen. Today I'm going to travel to Indonesia to try the Nasi Goreng. Nasi Goreng literally means it's a fried rice with the Indonesian style. So first of all, we will make a sauce. This sauce is very important to make a fried rice. So I have here sweet soya sauce, and I have here fish sauce, and I also have here shrimp paste. These three is very important to make a sauce for the Nasi Goreng fried rice. So I'm going to mix this one fish sauce into the soya sauce, and then I will mix with the shrimp paste, and I will just mix it together, right? And then we will keep it aside. And I have now here chopped onion and chopped garlic, and now the onion and the garlic are getting to the turning brown. So now is the time you will add the protein, which protein you like to add, or vegetables. So I add the chicken. Once you put the chicken into the fry pan, at the same time you can add the rice. You will put the sauce. This is the one we prepared in the earlier, right? And you will take some of the shrimp paste and just mix it well. You know, the soya sauce is already salted with also the shrimp paste. It's already salted, so I'm not going to add the salt additional. So this is already umami, but the shrimp paste is optional. It's up to you guys. If you are not eating the shrimp, you don't like very strong smell, so you don't need to be add. So it's optional. For me, I love it. It's like a really umami flavor. So then you will add the sambal sauce to get a well balancing the taste. Ooh, the room is full with shrimp paste smell. Just mix it, combine it well. As you can see, after you add the chicken, you thoroughly mix with all the ingredients. Then now is the time for greenish. This is the spring onions. So this is the optional, but it's really love and really match with the fried rice. So this is the one we mix thoroughly, and this is about to ready. So now we will fry the fish crackers. So now this is the time to fry the fish crackers. So when you fry the fish cracker, you need lots of oils, just like this. Turn it quickly, otherwise it will be burn. So when it's ready, then you will keep it aside, and then let's fry one more. Just wait for a few seconds, and when is like this, and you can turn to that. So that's enough. So finally our fried rice is ready. So now I'm going to start for the plating, and I will put here fried rice. Yeah. Oof, smells so good. It's really umami, I believe it. It's so nice. And I will add. Let's see here. So when you do the plating, you must make very beautiful way. Then I will add the fried egg. Then just put it in onto the rice. Yeah. And we will keep here. I have 2 slices of tomatoes. It will be very freshy, and I have fried shallot as well, so I will add a little bit of, and I have my homemade pickles. It will be the best matching with the fried rice for the nasi goreng. So just stir it here, but I use the chopstick. So this is the cucumber. I have cucumber here, and I have ready-made here also. Nice combination with this nasi goreng fried rice. So, and I will sprinkle the spring onion, the leftover spring onions. See, I think like this will be the best plating for nasi goreng fried rice.